How to remove background noise in Canva. This tutorial shows you how to clean up your audio directly inside the app on Android. First, open the Canva app on your Android device. From there, tap on Video from the home screen to start a new video project. After that, select your preferred video layout to get started. At this point, you can either upload your own video from your gallery or choose one from Canva's built-in library. For this tutorial, we'll be selecting one from their library. From there, once your video is loaded into the editor, look at the bottom of the edit screen and find the volume option. Following this, tap on Balance All. This will automatically smooth out and reduce any background noise in your video without affecting the main audio. Once done, play back your video to hear the difference. You should notice the background noise has been significantly reduced. From here, if you're working on PC and want to take it a step further, you may also see an Enhance Voice option available. Finally, tap on Enhance Voice to further polish the audio and make voices sound cleaner and clearer. Just keep in mind that this is a Canva Premium feature, so you'll need an active subscription to use it. That's how you remove background noise in Canva. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next upload.